So this is actually going to become one of those unboxing videos which seem very popular on YouTube, which I've never quite understood. Yet I find myself making one now, but this is more about what you get in the box, and hopefully that will help installers or those looking to buy one. So taking it out the outer box, and here's the charger. These are incredibly small, as you can see. It's only the size of my very dirty hand, but yeah, very neat and tidy charger. So what we've got here, opening card. This is a plastic card which allows you to open the front of the charger, and then a little welcome booklet. And oh yeah, the charger is not connected to the rest of it, the front lid, so that's the front lid of it there. We've got circuit boards inside the lid. So yeah, as you can see, very small unit. And then this is the base unit, very tiny as well. And then what have we got here? This is your holster for putting the Type 2 connector in. This one is a Type 2 version. So we've got here a Type 2, if I can get that off one-handed, and as you can see there, it doesn't have the pins at the bottom because this one is a 7.5 kilowatt charger. They also do this in 11 and 22 kilowatt. Obviously those others are 3-phase electricity, so you'll have the extra pins there. That's the first time I've seen one of these connectors without the pins. Normally they would use a generic connector and have the pins there, but obviously not connect them up in the cable, but they're obviously buying in different connectors, which is quite interesting. So what we've got here is the charging unit, 5 meters of Type 2 cable, instruction booklet, template there for drilling your holes to mount it to the wall, and then an envelope here, I'm assuming with some fixings. Just pop these out here. Yeah, so fixings and some rubber grommets. A quick look at the unit. We've got cable entry here at the bottom, or obviously you can come in there from the back there, and that's what that second grommet will be for. This one is the 7.5 kilowatt with a 5 meter cable, Type 2 connector on the end. You can also get the Type 1 version. These are tethered only because they're so small there's not enough room to put a Type 2 socket on them. But yeah, very neat and tidy unit. These have got built-in earth protection, so you don't need an earth rod, and they've got connectivity via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. So as I said, I'll get this installed, I will use it for a few weeks, and I will make another video to show you how they work and what I think of them in a couple of weeks' time. Another little thing to point out here, the fixings are really nice quality. It's lovely to see proper branded quality wall plugs. So generally when I buy stuff, the fixings are cheap and nasty, unbranded rubbish, and I throw them all away and use my own screws and ball plugs because I'd rather use something much better quality. But it's nice to see these are proper branded fixings made by Fisher, very good brand, and very good heavy duty screws as well, which is surprising for such a small unit. It's very nice to see quality fixings that you can actually use.